Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. On Monday. It's actually a Monday. Um, yes, Monday, March the 15th, 2021. We have today's newspaper, no additional. So I will continue with the edition of Friday. We have left four Sudokus in the Friday edition. I will continue with the 1-star Sudoku, the 2-star Sudoku. Look, the other four is already solved. One tectonic I will solve and one binary. So total of 4 extra Sudokus in the Friday edition of March the 12th. Yes, 2021. Alright, the first one. Sudoku with 1 star. Alright. This one will be a number 2474. Yes, is this correct? Let me check. 247. Yes, correct. 2474 it will be now. Yeah. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. I think there are 27 for a 1 star. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus 4 is 9. Plus 3 is 12. Plus 5 is 17, 18, 19. Plus 3 is 22. Plus 3 is 25, plus 2 is 27. Yes, correct. 27 printed digits. Alright. So let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about the last row? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 5. We have a 9 and a 5 in this big square. So no 9 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 5 goes there. So what are the other 2 numbers in the last row? Those 2 numbers are the 2 and the 6. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 2 goes there. Alright. Then how about let me see, 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this last column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing and the 8 is missing. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 8 goes there. Alright. Then how about let me see. Okay. 3 5 9 3 4 8 487 487. Alright, complicated. How about these 5 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is 2. No. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the 2 and the 6. We have a 2 and a 6 in this column. So no 2 and a 6 in these 3 boxes. The 2 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright, so we have a 6 in this row, 6 in that row. And we have a 2 in the first row and a 2 in the third row. The same story, yes. So in the row between the middle row, we have a pair, the 2 and the 6. 2 and a 6, we see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now, 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers 8 and 4. 8 and 4. We see here 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. How about those 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a 9. 7 and a 9. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 8. 7 and 8. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 here. So this box can't be 7 anymore. This box should be a 7. And that box should be a 9. Alright. 1 number left in the third row for the number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 3. 9 and 3. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And 3 goes there. We have a pair, the 3 and 8 in this column. The 3 and 8 in the last column. So in the column between, 2 boxes left for the 3 and 8 should be in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 8. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers 1 and 5? 1 and 5. Yes, 1 and 5 are left. We have now 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 2 and 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Yes, 2 and 4 are missing. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. We see here 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright. And now we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. Yeah. Okay. Now we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 2. How about the number 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 7 and 3. 7 and 3. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 3 in this row. 3 in a row above. So in that row, only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this column, the second column. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be 5 anymore. This box should be a 5, and this box should be a 1. All right, and all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 5. All right. We have a 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So on the third column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So in the row between, the middle row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 1. 1 number left in the third column for the number 8. Yes. Now we have an 8 there. So this box can't be 8 anymore. This box should be an 8. And that box should be a 3. Okay. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 8. All right. All right. 3 and 2 numbers left in this column. Those numbers are the 3 and the 9. 3 and the 9 are missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Alright, alright, alright. 1, 2, the 3 is missing in the middle row, and the 4 is missing in the middle row. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 9. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright, 1 number left in this row for the number 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 6 and the 7. 6 and the 7. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 4. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 4, and that box should be a 2. Final 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. All right. Great. Sudoku with 1 star. Yes. And I finished in 30 minutes. So the indication for the time for the 1 star for me is 10 to 15 minutes, and the 2 stars 15 to 20 minutes. The 3 stars 20 to 25 or 30, and the 4 stars, if it's really 4 stars, 30 minutes or more. All right, I'm very pleased with the time, and I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku. A 2-star Sudoku. See you later. Bye bye for now.